Next time, you will learn to stay away from people's husband. Serves you right. Waffle! 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 In the world.
It's not your fault.
Why we should choose to die? Why Janet? Sake was such a sweet girl.
Stop. It's okay.
I...
It's okay.
My heart is broken.
No.
My heart is... Baby.
What happened to Janet?
Janet is dead. Baby, Janet is dead. Oh, she's dead. Child.
What are you saying?
Baby, this morning, I heard her scream. And then I rushed into her room to know what the problem was. Only for me to get there and I saw Janet in her own pool of blood. And then I called Wafo. We rushed her to the hospital. The doctor confirmed that she was 3 months pregnant. And then she took cheap abortion pills to get rid of the pregnancy. That was how she lost her life. Oh.
Pregnant?
Yes.
Janet was pregnant?
She was pregnant. She was pregnant.
You know what? I need to rush to the hospital and confront things for myself.
Jake! Rush. I don't understand. Where are you rushing to?
I said I want to go to the hospital.
Why? To do what? Wait. Are you responsible for her pregnancy?
Is something wrong with you?
Answer the question. Jake! No, Linda, did you see that? Did you see what he just did? We need to follow him. Let's go! Let's go.
Can I see your office? Gentlemen, I understand this is a grievous for you. We tried our best, but sorry, it happened this way.
Oh God.
It's okay. I understand how this pain could be. But we have a morgue just at the back. If you wish to deposit our body there while you make arrangements, contact the family and other things, we'll oblige you that. But if you wish to take our body right away, we can also oblige you that. So which one are you doing?
Honestly, doctor, I am so confused. I don't know, I'm not even thinking straight right now.
Okay, I can understand what you're going through. But while you're making up your mind, in other words, you are suggesting they prepare our body to be deposited at the morgue here? Alright, thank you very much. Having said that, there are some necessary documents you will have to go with me to sign and also make some clearance in finance department.
No problem.
Thank you so much. To my office.
Janet, why? Linda, this girl is such a good girl.
I know.
What will people say that she died in my house? Where will I start from? Why would this girl get pregnant? What kind of a thing? She should have told me. She should have told me.
I know, but it's not your fault. Jake, I think the right thing to do now is for you to find a way to reach out to her people.
Tell them what? That their daughter just died. How? Hey! God, what is this? What is all this now? Eh? Where do I start from? Oh, this is way too much.
But this is not your fault, eh? It's not your fault.
Linda, Jack, hold on. Is there something you know that you're not telling me? Because I don't understand this actor. Why you? I don't understand. What's this? Is this something you know you're not saying? Just spill it. Tell me. Why are you acting like this?
See, this is not the time for this, eh? This is not the right time. How?
Really?
It's not the right time now, eh?
I'm talking to him. He's walking out on me. You see what? No, Jake needs to tell me what he knows. He knows. It is very obvious that he knows something. Jake! Jake! What do you know? Why are you acting up like this? No, because you said she's pregnant. Are you responsible for her pregnancy? What is all this? Shut up!
Did you see that?
I saw that. Baby, where are you going to? I thought you just wanted to use the restroom and then come back to me. You know, we just started. This is the first round. Come, let's do the main thing.
Babe, this is not the right time for this baloney. Honestly.
Baloney? You want to leave me hanging? Is that what you want to do? Babe, this is not fair now. You have to satisfy my sexual urge.
What are you saying? It's been a whole 30 minutes.
30 minutes of you thinking about a dead girl. I've never had such a boring sex in my life before. But it's fine. I mean, you're my man. I forgive you. Just come, baby.
Why
Come.
are you like this?
Baby.
You, I know. Even if I spend the whole day here with you, it will still be enough for you. You make it look like this thing doesn't matter. We have a dead girl lying in the morgue. We've not even contacted her parents, let alone going there to see them. And you know how far their place is.
Come on, baby. Why are you sounding? You're just being difficult. I did not ask you not to go. All I'm saying is, make me come. If you make me come, then you go. That is all. Come, baby. Just come and do this thing. Come on, satisfy me, baby. Come. Babe, come. You can't leave. Jack! 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 Please, no. I...
What are you two talking about?
Doctor, we saw her. She sneezed. Honestly, sir, I saw her. She stood up and even removed the cotton from her nose and her ears.
Can you two stop joking and be professional for once? TikToker nurses, prepare this body and take it to the morgue.
Yes.
TikTokers.
Look they water this road.
So now go dey don't see as it dey be abi. Now go dey block person nose with cotton wool. Person over die na 1 kilo. Oya na we'll take it. We will not feel. Oya may I block your nose, block your ear. Oya, feel am. Nonsense.
Janet,
Sir.
get into the car. Let me go and get pain medication for you.
Ha! Oga, beg. I use God beg you. Avoid me. Avoid me, Oga. Avoid me, I beg. I no fit for your wife trouble. I do okay.
What is your problem? I said get into the car. Let me go and get pain medications for you. Have you not been the one complaining about pains?
Oga, if you say so, now let's go.
Please, stand up. Let's go.
If your leg enters that car, you see this your legs that looks like that of a urchin. If it enters that car, what I will do to you and you will regret where you were born. Oh, you think I don't know where you're taking her to? You want to take her to a hotel and have fun with her, isn't it?
What is wrong with you? What are you saying? I just want to take her to the pharmacy and get her pain medications for the pains you inflicted on her.
Who sent you? Does she not have legs? No, does she not have legs? If you want to help her, you give her money to go and get the drugs herself. Linda, is it not true? Am I lying? Give her the money. She's telling me you want to take her to your city to go and get drugs for her.
Why are you being unreasonably dramatic? Why? I don't have time for this. Janet, get into the car. Let's go.
Okay, baby. Hi. Madam, na slip of tongue. Hi.
Oh, slip of tongue. In my house, you're calling my husband baby. And you're telling me it's a slip of tongue.
What is your problem? She just said it's a slip of tongue. Can't you just understand it's a slip of tongue and keep quiet?
Oh, these people are making me feel like I don't know what I'm saying. Excuse me. Babe. Wait, I beg. Hey, leave me there. If you try me,
Wait,
you want to fight me, Abi?
And a defense
Wait,
mechanism.
even if you guys are going to die, not in my house.
Defense mechanism.
Linda, wait. You want to fight me, Abi?
And a defense
Wait,
mechanism.
even if you guys are going to die, not in my house.
Defense mechanism.
Linda, wait. Let me tell you. Janet, I employed you in my house.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to fight me?
Madam.
You want to collect my husband?
Break bottle first, now break my own.
I go show you all.
Madam.
You want to collect my husband?
Break bottle first, now break my own.
I go show you all.
Stop.
Oga, all your wife, Oga, all your wife.
No, Yes,
Ma?
I will let you know that this is my house.
Okay, ma.
I will let you know that this is my house.
Mother, I tell you, say na slip of tongue. Why you gonna behave like this?
No worry.
You don't carry motor for me. You carry
No problem.
Okay, now your wife get boss bottle. Now your wife boss bottle, now boss bottle. No be only your wife be ghetto woman. Me na inside ghetto they born me. And she run your boss bottle for me now. Na small thing they make me vex. Your boss bottle now you don't take boss another one. No be say I want to do anything. And your defense mechanism, okay? I go the boss ghetto for the boss bottle for ghetto baby like me. You sorry, I don't want my slip of hand.
I told you that girl is up to no good, but you will not listen. That girl wants to collect my husband from me, like right in front of me. No, she will not do it.
But you overreacted now. Eh? See what he has cost me now. See. Eh?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to inflict pain on you. But you heard what that girl said. She called my husband baby right in front of me.
I did. I heard her. But violence can never solve any issue.
You want me to stay without doing anything?
You should calm down. You should be calming down. See now, just see. See. Because I came to your house to see you, to see my friend.
Linda, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. You know what? Let me just take you to the pharmacy or hospital so you can take tetanus injection. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to inflict pain on you. Eh? Please, let's go. You see that girl? She was my target.
Let's go now.
She was my target.
What is wrong with you? How do you explain that display of show of shame that you just did there? What's the meaning of that? How could you condescend so low to fight with Janet?
Oh, please say something the way you saw it. What do you mean condescend so low to fight? To fight with who? I did not fight with her. I beat her up. Oh yes, I beat her. Say things the way you saw them.
Why are you so shallow-minded? You beat up an adult. That is assault if you don't know it. And if she decides to press charges against you, you will go in for it.
Press charges on who? Press charges on who? I'm asking you, Jack. She broke bottle, I break bottle. Who is pressing charges on each other? What does she even know? That local champion. Jack, it is very obvious that you are pained. It is paining you that I beat that girl so well. That is what is paining you. You see your gender? This gender, you are the highest pretenders I've never seen.
Lucy, do you even realize that the difference between you and Janet is just opportunity? Do you even realize that?
Wait, what? You just called me a local champion. Jack, no, Linda, did you hear what he said? My husband. You did not say so. Jack, hey, if you don't take back that word now that you just said, you said today, this house will not be enough for me and you. Take back that word that you just said now.
Leave him now.
Never! I will not.
No.
You have to take it back.
Leave him.
How dare you?
Let him go.
That's not going to see me finish, oh. No, you don't really see me finish. You said this nonsense, it will end today.
I told you this man is cheating on you.
Oh my goodness. Look at me, look into my eyes. I'm looking into yours. Look at me. Your eyes cannot kill a fly. There is nothing you can do. Hey, Linda.
Yusuf, with a quick verse.
You can imagine.
Hey, with a quick verse. Abba. But you see me like this, eh? I can't be involved with family wahala. I no fit.
Linda, this guy don't see me finish now. Just look at me, a local champion.
Yeah, I told you, but you see me like this, I'm going to treat myself. You see, Babe, we'll talk later.
I'm sorry, Linda, please. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. You were not my target. That girl was my target. You see this fight, it has not even ended. We will continue this fight.
What didn't happen again? Why your face today like this?
No be that woman wey dey call herself our madam. She just think say because say I dey refer to am as madam. Because I be herself if you dey do me anyhow. I no blame her, na condition I blame. Because she dey look me like say she be my senior because I dey address her like madam. If madam senior me for this life, anytime I sleep catch me, man like that for bed sleep.
Wait, before now, where are you for like that sleep? For floor? This is where they talk, my hand no dey. You know say na our madam where they talk about like this.
I no go blame her. I dey tell you, I no blame her. My parents I blame. If to say my mama and my papa hustle when they made the hustle, I for be rich man pikin. Even if I no be rich man pikin, I for be average man pikin. I for no dey here to do house help. My parents now I blame. I blame my parents. When look finish for this life where they come, one life where they come, they say na poverty na go be their name. They don't fit train pikin. They don't fit train me. No problem. Na dem cause am for me. My papa see riches. He say no want riches. He see average riches. He say no want am. My papa see normal poverty. My papa say no want am. Na abnormal poverty then my papa go stay.
You see am?
Come on to train me, no fit train. None of us if fit train.
Since why I know you, you see this one where you talk now. Now the only truth why I don't hear from you be that. And I carry you get hope. Oh.
What do you mean by saying that the only truth? So
Hey, we are dey poor now. That poverty where they talk. Like, I think say we dey poor. I don't know say we dey learn from you.
No, excuse me. No make mistake. Our poverty, they learn from our poverty. Una own I be abject poverty. Una poverty get poor inside.
Na lie.
Your poverty,
Our own no reach like that.
No,
See, I be chief security here. I think
shut up your mouth, Oga. They tell you say our poverty they learn from una own poverty. Una poverty, the vati where they inside deep. You dey talk. You never ask yourself why you get matador. You know the intensity of your matador. You know there's not people where they born inside abject poverty. Then they get matador. This one, their matador they from Bele, they come out. That one is incurable.
You say I get matador.
Yes, that's the poverty matador. The one where they come from Bele, where they no fit cure. You never notice say Oga Madam they ever come near you. Have you ever noticed say Oga they address you come near you? You know if you try him, you go die. You smell your mouth now. Madam they change your toothpaste every 2 weeks. You know why? If you buy the one where go buy for you, they'll say this one erases heavy matador. You know they work. Madam go buy. You know they read. Now me they read them when they give you now.
This mountain now don't dey enter insult.
Oga smell your mouth now. They talk. You banana query. You want to follow me talk. But true, my parents no try you. My parents no try. Time wey dey for train pikin. When my papa mates dey hustle for money, my papa dey count beans.
Jake. All the time, this guy keeps hanging me. He hangs me all the time and I don't like it. This is totally unacceptable by me. I don't like it. What is all this? Huh?
Are you sure he's not getting it from another girl?
Hold on. Are you trying to say that Jake is seeing another girl?
Isn't it obvious? With the way he suddenly lost interest in having sex with you. You said he's good in bed, right?
Linda, my friend. I go lie for you. This This guy is so good. See? That guy is good. He knows how to do this thing. This guy is literally the best thing that has happened to me. He is sweet. He is amazing. He's everything good you can think of in bed. See, I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, he stopped being the best.
So you see what I'm saying? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Something is wrong. And you need to do something about it.
You think so? Mm-hmm. Hey, Linda, if I catch that idiot, if I lay my hands on that fool, if I lay my hands on her.
On who?
On the person that you're claiming to must have been taking my husband's attention away from me. That is the person I'm talking about. What I would do to that girl if I lay my hands on her, even the devil will be amazed. She should go and ask Christian about me. Linda, I swear, no woman will take Jake away from me. I repeat, no woman on this earth will do that.
My girl, you should be calming down. You need to be calming down. We've not gotten over the mess you created. And you want to create another one.
Oh, please. Chinese was so stupid. I mean, she's so stupid to think that me will allow her to take my husband away from me. My own husband.
All I'm saying is you should calm down.
You know what, Linda, I have to go home. You see, today, it is me and Jake.
Take it easy, eh? Be calming down. This girl, you too like trouble. I no deal.
What is wrong? Did you not hear me calling? Is something wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
Why did you keep me hanging? I've been honking on that gate and you're standing here. What are you even mopping at?
Madam, I saw her. She's inside.
Are you stupid? No, are you sure you're okay? You saw who? Who are you talking about?
Madam, she's inside. I saw her. I'm serious.
Oh. Oh, wait. Jack brought in a girl into this house. No, Jack has the right to bring somebody else into this house after everything I've been complaining about. There's no problem. Somebody's going to die today. Okay, watch over my car. If anything happens to that car, you're doomed for life. Jack! This man is going to see crazy. Where's the gun? Are you back? Oh!
Wait.
Babe. What just happened?
Babe, I'm as confused as you are. You saw exactly what you thought you saw.
No. Janet is dead. The doctor said she's dead and we confirmed it. We saw it with our eyes.
That's the problem. The doctor confirmed she's dead. Yet she's here. You know what? Just call the doctor. Call the doctor and let's find out what is going on.
No. I think you should go downstairs and confront her. Ask her what she's doing here because I don't understand.
What do you mean I should go downstairs? You want me to go there and die? Is that how much you don't like me?
But babe, you're a man now. You're a man. Just go and confront her.
So, if I'm a man, I should just walk into the danger I'm looking at. Is that what you're saying? Babe, wait. I'm still confused about a lot of things. How did this whole thing happen?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I can see you're struggling with this.
No, it's the thing that is struggling with me.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show you how it's used.
No, sir. No bother. Don't show me. I will show myself.
Listen, just hold on. Let me show you. See the one holding it? Put your hand. Then put the other hand here. Don't bring it down a bit. Yes. All right, let's go together. No, easy now, easy before you break it. Gradually, see? See the way it's flowing.
Hey.
What?
Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Good morning.
What is going on here?
It's mobbing that is going on here, ma.
You shut up your mouth. Get out.
Huh?
Now!
Okay. Mo go kitchen go learn. Let's say palo on the.
You're a very stupid woman. If you stop, if I stop, I don't. Is this guy okay?
Babe.
Don't just babe me. Listen and listen very carefully. This thing should not repeat itself in this house again. What
I
nonsense!
haven't gotten to the extent of you shouting. What's the hostility about?
Oh, it is not good. Did you hear what she just said? She said, Oga, come the kitchen. May you come continue, may you come teach me. This is what you're doing in my house with my help.
Sir, let us finish this thing while we are teaching you inside the kitchen. Like, I did not learn it well here. Let's learn it in the kitchen.
Thunder will fire if I stop. Are you crazy? No, I don't need to go at this moment. I don't see you. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Let me!
Don't stop it already.
What is wrong with you? Okay, I'm talking, you're still touching her. You're still touching her.
Do you want to
Jen!
Do you want to kill
You're
her?
looking for what I will say.
Do you want to kill
You're
her?
looking for what I
Have
will
you not
say.
done enough?
I said it's enough. Stop touching this girl. Let her do her work. Oh! Jen!
Okay, sorry.
I never wish to live my life in fears, but one step extreme put my life in shackles. Guinea can get me.
Wetin do you? Who pane beat you like this, like person wey no get mama and papa?
It's not that woman that's our madam. She go and fight me. She was fighting me and she won't fight me. She don't know say I be single, but now I start to dey beat am. I beat her so tey if not be say na her husband wey come separate us. By now, if I don't comot to her teeth.
Wait you mean you beat madam and na you dey here dey cry?
Which one be say na me dey here? They can crack up your mouth say ewu.
How you go beat person na you come dey cry?
Which one be say na beat person na me come dey cry?
Madam,
You with your rainbow color clothes. Get men dey wear this kind of clothes.
Madam,
With a wig cap wey they call say na your men dey so better than you.
Hey. Will you shut up your mouth? You think I'm cut out for this your drama? Listen to me. By the time I'm back to this house, I do not want to see anything that looks like you in my house again. Pack your things and leave.
Madam, na me dey talk to Abina Gateman.
Are you okay?
say.
I'm talking to you.
Hey, no now. Madam, I beg you. Now this work I take dey feed my family. Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg. Now this work I take dey feed my family, my brothers and sisters. Madam, no do this kind of thing.
Stand up, madam, don't go.
See, Emma, I tell you the truth. If no be say na home training, what I for do this woman today, she no go believe her. Now say my parents train me well. That just be the thing where they pay me now.
You go wound me. What's your problem now?
Who you dey talk to?
See, na me dey slap.
And you I slap, what go happen again?
Chief security dey slap.
Who chief security?
See, I never eat this.
Na guy, come over here. Jesus,
You wan wound me?
you no get weight. So you no get weight at all.
You don't give me food today.
Small push wey I push you, now you all fall like dodo for inside oil. Oga, I think say na man you be. I no know say na man war. Jesus, Jehovah.
You go wound me o. Say I go dey drag man like that. You know say I be old man. See, no try that thing wey you do again.
I don't learn better lesson now. Not be everybody I go dey fight again. Not be everybody I go dey fight. You follow for that category.
Are you saying your husband is having an affair with your house help?
I don't understand you, Linda. I'm telling you something I know. You're asking me, are you saying? I know so. Those two, they have a thing. Let me ask you this question. Have you seen where a boss is mobbing his own house by himself when his maid is standing right there staring at him? Is it possible? I'm saying something. What are you laughing? What's funny?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But he gave his reasons though.
What sort of stupid reason is that? No, what kind of reason is that? Does it even make sense? Not so you take the start though. Small. Very go count one, count two. This girl don't take over my house. So you want make I day inside water, make soap they enter my eyes.
Well, you're right. But I think you should confront your husband before making assumptions.
Linda, your matter they tire me. Person go dey follow you. Like person could follow you, they talk something with they serious. You go dey speak grammar.
You know go follow am talk before. Follow am talk now, hear wetin you want talk.
Madam abeg, stand up, enter that kitchen, make you go bring food for me, make I chop. Man, no go and they do me. Both my husband, both everybody just I don't understand you now.
Which food? I go give you food now, make you turn me to house help. Next thing you say I dey sleep with your husband.
Don't that go fire you, Linda. What you dey crazy? Say this guy, I'm gonna start for give me food.
I dey come. I dey come because
Oga waka jare. Janet,
Ma?
why are you adjusting your skirt like that? Why are you adjusting your skirt?
My pants enter my nyash, they come out.
You said what?
I said my pants enter my nyash, they remove them.
You are adjusting your pants. Your pants. Janet, where are you coming from?
From room.
From room. From room. You're coming from room.
Babe. God. You startled me.
Why? That means you're doing something bad.
You should have just said something when you came in now.
Chef, what are you doing inside there? What are you doing? What did you go inside there to wash off?
Wait. Where is that coming from?
What did you go inside that place to wash off? I'm asking you, answer the question.
I don't really know what you're thinking, but what are you saying?
Are you cheating on me? Chef, are you cheating on me?
Where is that coming from?
Oh, please answer the question. Say it, I want to hear you from you. Say it.
What is wrong with you? You just creeped in on me now and I'm asking you why you didn't say something when you came in and you're accusing me of something I know nothing about. What is it? Are you okay?
I'm accusing you. I was coming upstairs and then I saw Janet adjusting her skirt. She said that her pants entered inside her bum bum and she's trying to adjust it. And then I walked into this room. You're coming out from the bathroom. You went to wash off. Did she enter this room, check? Did she enter this room?
What has that got to do with me? No, all these things you mentioned now, what has that got to do with me?
Check. You just asked me if something was wrong with me. I will let you know that something is wrong with me if I find out that you're having something to do with that girl. You see this house, I will burn it down. I promise you, I will burn it down. Girl, trust me. Hey, you're cheating on me with my own help.
Wait. What is wrong with this one?
Babe, please come to bed.
What is the meaning of this now? What is it? Get up, my friend.
Do you want to injure me? What is wrong with you?
I don't like it. Just stay on your own and let me be. What sort of nonsense is that?
You're talking to your wife.
My wife.
You're asking me to stay on my own. Why will you do that?
Really?
Babe.
No, wait. Do you really behave like my wife? Tell me, what kind of a wife will accuse the husband of sleeping with a house help?
It's not my fault. Is it my fault? I came back and then I saw I met Janet downstairs. She was just adjusting her skirt. And then I asked her, why are you adjusting your skirt like that? She said that her pants went in between her bum bum. That she's trying to remove it. And then I asked her, where are you coming from? She said she's coming from the room. The room, baby, the room.
Now, all these things you narrated now, how are they supposed to be my business?
It's your business. Because I left you two in this house alone. I came back and then I saw you coming out from the washroom. Babe, you went to wash up. Your shirt was on the bed. She was adjusting her pants. You were coming from the washroom. What am I a woman for crying out loud? What am I supposed to think? You're my husband. It's not my fault. I left you alone in this house. You're my husband. You were in this house with Janet and you expect me not to think otherwise.
I am trying so hard to comport myself. Go back to your bed. Allow me this little space.
Baby, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You are my husband. You have to fulfill your duty to me. Oh, come on, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not.
Okay.
Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going? You're not going
What
anywhere.
is all this now?
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. If you must leave this room, you give me this one to hold. I will hold it and you go to where you want to go. So I'll hold it for you until you come back.
Are you okay?
I'm very okay. I need to hold it for you.
You're gradually going mad.
It is my own. You will give me this one. If you give it to me, then you got me. You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Okay, wait. Okay, you win. Oh, wait now. I said you win. Just go back. Let me come to the bed.
Follow like this. Just go. Don't remove my leg.
No, now you have
don't
to
remove my leg.
How can I stand up?
Don't remove my leg. Follow back.
Wait.
Just follow like this. Chai. Oh. Hey.
Come in. Hey, baby.
Can this be a nightmare?
You don't look good. What's going on?
I think I've lost him.
Lost who?
My husband.
What happened?
I confronted my husband just like you advised me to do. I mean, you asked me to talk to him about the help. To ask him if he was cheating on me with her or not. And I did.
You did what? I can't remember suggesting that to you.
Linda, what are you talking about? You were the one that advised me to confront my husband. In short, in your exact word, you said, confront your husband and talk to him about the maid. That was what you said.
Lucy, maybe you didn't understand what I said. I meant you should have a conversation with your husband, not a confrontation.
Linda, you were the one that told me to... In your exact word, you said, Confrontation, that was what you said. You said since I was having the feel that my husband was cheating on me with the maid, that I should confront him. That was what you said.
Conversation. I said conversation, not confrontation. How can I send you to go and fight your husband? So, if that's what you did, you better go and talk things out with your husband. I know they will. See me. Send you to go and fight your husband.
Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying desire. My eyes is clear, but I can't see.
Can I tell you that? Fight your husband, me, innocent me. Please, oh, don't drag me into your bad character.
Where do I run to?
Hi, baby. Baby. How are you? Do you miss me? Baby. Oh. Have you eaten? Did you have anything to eat? Huh? My love. Baby. Sorry now. Okay, is it because of that small thing that happened? That's why you're squeezing your face. Why are you frowning? Okay, fine. I know that the way I talked to you wasn't nice at all. And then I accused you wrongly. I'm sorry. Indeed, I overreacted.
You know, I'm really shocked about the way you spoke to me. What gives you the impression that I'm cheating on you? How will I even cheat on you? I've never cheated on you before and I don't have any intentions of doing so. If I wanted to do something like that or take another wife, what's there? I would just go ahead and tell you. You know how open I am when it has to do with things. You know, I don't pretend.
No. Babe, if I understand you very well, you're trying to say that you will cheat on me in future.
I did not say anything like that.
But that's what it sounds like.
I am not responsible for how you choose to understand things.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Baby. Tell me you don't miss me. Come. Let's go inside. Come, baby. Let me go upstairs and give you some sugar. Or you want to tell me that you don't miss this? Baby? Baby? You don't miss this? Not to you. Come here. Just come, baby. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Linda, it's you. Please come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How have you been?
I've been good. You?
I'm alright. I'm good.
Alright, so is your wife around?
Yes, she's actually inside dressing up.
Oh, okay. I'm here for her.
Okay. Don't worry, she'll join you soon.
Alright, thank you.
I'm
Who is in my house?
Linda, what are you doing in my house?
Mugu.
I'm okay, what's up?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Thank you. So why are you not dressed yet?
No, because na wrapper at time. I'm dressed, Joe, just
Oh, yeah,
relax.
now.
Where are you
Let's
rushing
go
to?
in.
No.
Okay.
I think I tell you that washing machine.
You don't spoil it. I know if you on am again. I tell you say they had me to on. I can make you come on.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Let
sir.
me look at it.
Thank you, sir.
What's the meaning of that?
Linda, I don't like this girl. It's short, my spirit and her spirit does not connect. My spirit is telling me that if I don't do something earlier, this guy is going to collect my husband from me. Besides, I didn't even know how she ended up in my house. How did I even employ her?
But you know this is all your fault. This is all your fault.
How?
You're probably not paying enough attention in your own home.
You don't start though.
And your fault. You can't tell me anything.
No, you don't start.
Ha!
Everything you want to blame me.
You need to do something and do it fast.
Janet! Janet!
Yes, ma'am.
What are you two still doing there?
You too. Okay, Oga. Oga just now I want on the washing machine. Any problem?
At your age, you don't know how to turn on a simple wash. How many times will they teach you?
You know how to turn on.
How many?
You dey talk like say na only me know sabi on the washing machine. You know sabi on am. You just say you sabi on am, I for call you. You know sabi on am na.
Am I the one you're talking to like that? Eh?
So mother, you get another person with you. Now you are the talk to.
Janet,
Ma.
I'm talking, you're responding back.
Mother, you
I'm
ask me-
talking, you are will you shut up your mouth?
But now you ask me question and they answer.
You see the way I'm looking at you. I'm just looking at your eyes.
Yes, ma.
You came to call my husband. Instead of you to call him gently, you were walking. I know your body was shaking. You were even wiggling your buttocks. You were shaking all your body.
Madam.
Let me finish. I can see that you want to collect my husband from me. No, I can see that my husband is your target, but let me warn you. Stay very far from my husband. Give my husband 100 yards. Stay very, very far. Else, I will make this house a living hell for you.
Madam, just see what you dey talk. In front of your friend. You dey talk say I wan snatch your husband. Which kind of talk come be that one, madam? No be every girl be husband snatcher. Some people get values, they get principle. And I follow for inside. Person husband no be my spec at all. So may you know they talk that kind of thing, I know they like am. May you know they talk, if not, please stop am.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Where you're coming from? Is it that you don't have respect? Are you mad?
Madam, this na like the 10th time wey you dey slap me. Any small thing you just slap me. As what now? Madam, as what? Say because I dey do outside work for here. Madam, na company na employ me for here o, and you know am. You know I'm saying you dey pay me salary. No be say I just come from village, come dey do outside for you like say you dey do me favor. You know as you take call me for company, I come dey work for you. Any small thing you dey slap me, and because I get good mind. You know na because I get good mind. Any small thing you just dey hit me. No dey do am, I no dey like am o. No dey try am again. And this your friend wey dey here wey say top people dey get sense. I want to say na akakpo sense she get. Na akakpo heart na she get.
Will you shut up?
She be wicked friend. If not be wicked friend, go tell you say wetin you dey do dey bad.
Janet, shut up your mouth. Shut up! You're talking to my friend in that manner. You're talking to me and then you're pointing at me.
Madam, no dey slap me again.
Get out from here.
No dey slap me. Me and
Get
you
out.
be age mates.
Get out.
Slap me again. You don't say they follow your husband.
If I open this eyes,
May you tell your friend the truth.
Janet, I tell you should get out from this place. Father will not fire you.
You need to do something. This is getting out of hand. You need to do something really fast. Anyways, are you still going out? Because me like this, I cannot sit down here and watch your maid insult me any further.
I'm very sorry. Okay, Linda, I didn't mean for her to. I'm so sorry. You know what?
Just
Let me grab my bag. I'm coming.
please hurry up, hurry up.
Hey.
Oga, you're too good. Too nice.
I can see you're really enjoying the food.
Go buy food for me. Hey. Onugba. This onugbu soup. Hey. Hey, Jesus. Only know how to make am.
What? What are you doing? Will you stop us from that place?
Sit down there and enjoy your meal.
I told her to stand up. And you were telling her to sit back. Did she not tell you that I told her that she was not going to eat in this house till next week?
Where is your conscience? Answer me. Where is your conscience? So you expect her to starve to death because of your stupid policy? Is that what you want? I'm really disappointed.
No, you should be disappointed in yourself. You should be disappointed in yourself, Jack. See the way you're talking to me in front of a maid. You're going to side a maid over your wife. Really? I'm talking, you're still sitting down. You're still eating that food. Are you okay?
Madam, what do you expect me to do, man? Oga say make I chop. Oga is the head of the house. I have to obey the head of the house. Oga, I don't want to chop again.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? She is disrespecting me before you. And this is all your fault. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you.
Can this be a nightmare? Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying desire. My eyes is clear but I can't see. Moment of calm can never last.
Please enjoy your meal.
Olive soup.
Janet, enjoy your food.
Can this be a nightmare? Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying desire. My eyes is clear but I can't see.
I'm sorry about the way I treated you. It's just that you pushed me to the wall.
I pushed you. And you decided to disrespect me before her? By rewarding her disobedience to me with so much generosity. Check.
Let's not forget she's human too. And she didn't deserve all those cruelty.
I can't believe you're saying this to me. You made me look like a monster before her. You degraded me. You shamed me. This is unfair. Are you just going to sit there and mop at me without comforting me or apologizing?
I'll be in my room.
Janet, hold on.
Calm
down.
I'm sorry, man. Small TV, I wanted to just wash. I don't finish all my work, ma.
Okay. Relax. Alright?
Yes, ma.
I'm not here to bite you.
Okay, ma.
I did not come to shout at you.
Yes, ma.
Just relax. It's
Okay,
just that I got you something.
Okay, ma.
Something you will like.
You buy something for me?
Yes.
Madam, starting when? Madam, my bed, take.
Janet, calm down.
Yes.
Are we fighting?
Especially sometimes, I don't know.
It's okay. We're not quarreling, okay?
Yes,
I just went out and then I saw it. I said, let me buy something for you.
Okay, madam.
All right.
Thank
Make
you.
sure you eat it all. All right?
Madam, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
You did not even tell me thank you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
All right. Enjoy yourself, okay? Next time, you will learn to stay away from people's husband. Serves you right. Waffle! Waffle! Waffle!
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
You poisoned her because of your insecurity.
No, no, babe, I did it because I love you. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
The girl had intensive units.
Yes.
Her condition is critical. Please, who are you to her?
She's my help. She stays in my house.
Oh, I see. Her condition is quite critical. What exactly happened to her?
Doctor, I don't know. I don't know what happened. I only heard her scream and then I rushed to her room to know what the problem was. And then I saw her on the floor rolling, saying her tummy. I don't know what happened.
Well, her condition is critical, but she has been placed on the life support. And her chances are 50-50.
Doctor, please, you have to help me. Whatever thing you can do, just do to make sure that this girl is alive. If this girl dies, I don't know what to tell her family. Please.
Well, it's in our position to do our best. But it's in the hand of God to perform his miracle. You believe in God, don't you?
I believe in God.
Okay. So what you will do, kindly go to the finance department, sort the bills, then go home. You will be contacted just in case anything comes up.
There's no problem, doctor. I will do just that. But please, doctor, anything you can do to save her life, just save her life. I don't know what to tell her family members if she dies. Please.
We'll do our best.
Oh, doctor, please, let me get your number just in case. Please.
081
Okay.
068
068
64
64
94.
94. Very well, sir. Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you very much. Thank you, doctor.
Madam, what really happened? Because I was with her outside before she went in, and I heard you shouting, shouting.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up. Who asked you for that piece of information? What are you saying?
I'm sorry.
Get out from this place! Stupid thing.
Mr.
Jake.
Jake, why have you decided to abandon the corpse of your younger sister here? It's been a month.
Wait. Is she still at the morgue?
Come on, Jake. She died and you gave your consent for her to be deposited at the morgue. That's exactly where she should be.
Wait. Does it mean I've been living with a ghost?
Ghost? Jake, is everything okay?
Doctor, everything is fine. Well, she's not actually my younger sister. She's our house help.
Oh, your wife made mention of that day. What's going on with her burial? Is her people giving you any sort of issues?
No, nobody's actually giving me issues, but...
Good. Now that you're here, kindly go to the finance department and clear the accumulated bill. And please, do well to inform us whenever you want to take her body. Thank you.
Okay, doctor, please. Can I see her?
Why not? Sure. Let me call the mortician.
Okay. Would you follow me?
Jake?
Doctor, please, just accompany me to see her body. Please.
Come with me.
Where do you think you're going to?
Why are you tormenting me? Please, stop tormenting me. Why are you tormenting me? Please.
You want to run away? You can't run away from your shadow. The next time you try to run away, I will show you that I have the power to destroy you. Do not try this with me next time.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. Please, I'm sorry for everything that I have done. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please.
By the time I'm done with you, you will regret ever attempting to take my life. A life you did not give.
Please. I beg you. I beg you, I'm sorry.
Shut up. Close your eyes. Raise your hand and sing for me.
Bright? Bright?
Doctor. Hello, sir.
Good. How do you do? Okay, this man here wants to see his lady.
Which lady they talk about?
Janet Ebento.
When they carry the body come?
That was around 25th of May.
Oh, okay, that period I know they work. I travel. I know they.
You mean you will on leave?
Yes, I know.
Oh, I see. So where is Ebe?
Okay, Ebe. Okay, Ebe no they come today. He know they work today. Now tomorrow in they come.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Jack, I guess you have to repeat your journey tomorrow.
No problem, doctor.
All right.
Mother, please, which song? I don't...
So shut up! Close your eyes. Raise up your hands and seek for me. I will not repeat myself. Sing now.
Please.
Jake, where are you coming from?
Wait, what is going on here?
Jake, where are you coming from?
Come. What is going on here?
Is that the answer to my question? I said, where are you coming from?
Listen, I don't know what you are, but whatever it is has to stop now. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. sorry.
I will forgive you because you were kind to me when she was being hostile to me. Do not try this next time.
I won't.
I guess you went to the hospital. What was your findings?
They said you died and they took you to the morgue.
God forbid. It is you and your wife that has died and they've taken you both to the mortuary. Dead mates.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, please, my eyes is privileged. I'm sorry.
What is going on?
Are we really living with a ghost? Or is this some kind of nightmare?
That's our new reality now.
Babe, what are we going to do? We need help.
How I wish I knew. Honestly, I don't know.
Babe, you can't say you don't know now. We need a spiritualist, a very strong one at that.
A spiritualist. Do you even realize that that girl has powers now? I don't know the kind of power she gathered from the land of the dead.
Baby, this is the more reason we need a strong spiritualist. Or you just want us to sit down there without doing anything? We need to get a powerful person that's going to get rid of that girl out of our lives for good.
You brought this upon us. Deal with it whichever way you want to. And let me be.
Really?
Can this be a nightmare? Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying the desire. My eyes is clear, but I can't see.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is your madam in the house?
No, she's not around.
What do you mean? She called me to come over.
She's not around now. Wait, now.
Are you okay?
You don't go just walk inside person.
What's going on? Thank God you're here. Lucy! You're scaring me. What's going on? I need your help. Jesus!
I talk am.
What? What do you want me to do? Where are you going to? Is that not the dead girl? She's the one. This is the reason I've not been able to see you.
This girl will not just let me go out, Linda. I'm trapped.
What do you want me to do?
I need your help.
What? Lucy!
Help me, please. Just help me.
Okay. I have a place I'll take you now.
Really?
Let's go!
Okay, thank you.
Well done, madam. I salute you. I remove cap. Sean.
Can this be a nightmare? Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying desire. My eyes is clear, but I can't see. Moment of calm can never last. What do I do? Ukemagapwa, where do I run to? I never wish to live my life in fears, but one step extreme put my life in shackles. Gini kangemeya. My eyes is clear, but I can't see. Moment of calm can never last. What do I do? Ukemagapwa, where do I run to?
Wafo. Wafo.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Have you seen my wife this morning?
She'll be inside the room now.
What is wrong with you? If she was inside the room, why would I be asking you if you've seen her?
Oh, God, I'm sorry, sir. I saw her sneaking outside this compound this morning. No. But to that time, sleep full my eyes. I just dey wake up, so I no fit follow and talk.
Sneaking outside this compound.
Yes, sir. But, Oga, you fit call am for phone now. Oga, I wan tell you something. Please, I want to resign, sir. Which kind of problem be this one now? Person dey work, say no one work again. I wan resign. Na by force to dey work. Go just resign myself o.
Linda. Linda. Yes? Linda, we're in the middle of nowhere. Oh. I don't understand. Why did you bring me here? What are we doing here? Eh? I'm scared.
This is all your fault now. Eh? This is all your fault. Be calming down. You said no. This is all your fault. I'm helping you and you're saying all these things. You should be thanking me.
Linda, please don't even put the blame on me. You know the one that said I should do anything I can do to make sure that girl does not take my husband away from me. Now you are blaming me.
And what part did I tell you to poison her?
Linda.
Yes. Did I specifically ask you to poison her? I'm better go. Be calming down.
Okay, so this is it. Your friend is in a serious mess. Or you think I'm joking here? Your friend is in a big mess. The only thing you can open your mouth to tell me is this. See, if you don't want to help me, there's no problem. Let me just go back to my house. What's all this?
Calm down. Eh? Don't worry. Small time now she will be here. And you will know that power pass power. Just calm down. Eh? Calm down.
Life in shackles. Guinea can get me.
Dance for me. I said dance for me.
My eyes
This one be my dance for you now. Dance I got this compound. Dance.
moment of
Are you there for something? Dance for me or you want to lose your job?
what do I do? Okay,
I know sabi dance.
where do I run to?
Why are you dancing like a stiff person? What's the meaning of this? Which kind of dance is this one? Oga, will you stop that rubbish? Dance well. I said you waist stiff like I. Shake it. Shake the waist. Go outside door. Person dey knock. Hey, Oga! Come on, dance to the gate. Akurikata wata di ma o, baby you too fine. Akurikata wata Akurikata wata di ma o, baby you too fine. Hey, shake, hey. Akurikata wata di ma o, baby you too fine. Hey, Oga! Come on, continue to wind your waist. Akurikata. Hey, you hold it, man. Chai, you.
Prophet, this is the person I was telling you about.
Say no more. Chai,
Roboscopo. Speak to me. I can hear you speaking. Power. I can hear you. More. Power. Speak to me. You foul spirit that is tormenting this house. I curse you. Amen. Leave our body now. Out. Leave this house. Amen. Roboscopo. Power. Out. Amen. Roboscopo. Obiam naru. Oh, I can see. This spirit is very stubborn. I said it. Ah, Jehovah. Speak to me. I can hear you. Yes. Take this thing. Take it. I will use my cane. My holy cane. This is holy cane. If I use this cane on her, I will chase this ghost out of this house. Amen. You will be out of our body. Ah, Jehovah. Speak to me. I can hear you.
You come here. Come here! I be dancing. Akurikata wata di ma o, baby you too fine. Akurikata.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying that you should give me my balance. Give me my balance. Before I deal with you ladies, give me my balance.
Deal with who? Did you do the job I called you for?
Were you two not there when I was praying, binding and casting, but the demon in our body seems so excess?
It's because you are fake now. You are fake. Common demon you cannot drive out.
Watch your mouth before I curse you.
Come on, just shut up your mouth. Shut up! Curse who? Who do you want to curse? I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Linda. You're the one that I blame. Of all the prophetess, or of all the prophetess you want to look for, it is this one. This one that her hair bonnet looks like this. Looking at her, you will know that she's a fake person. Eh? You want to bring this kind of person for me?
What you are saying does not concern me. Oh. Pay me my balance, if not for anything, for the cane where I collect from inside that place. Pay me my balance, so.
Okay, the cane you collect, Abi. Help me remove this. You are still sitting down here. You want to collect your balance? Okay, no problem. Babes, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. You know when you find solution, you can't go to one place. But don't worry, I have another place I will take you to. Linda, please. I don't want. Don't take me any other place. I don't want to. You see this type that you took me to. I don't want it again. Look at all the bushes, all the corner, the stress you took. You made me pass through. Now I will have to go back to live with that ghost. It's not fair. Take you to now, She's so powerful, Please. Please now, I'll talk to you later, Bye-bye. Thank God it was just a dream.
What is it?
Babe, I had a dream. And in that dream, Linda took me to see a spiritualist, one prophetess like that. And she followed us back home, like we brought her into our house with the purpose of chasing Janet away. But that Janet of a girl, she really dealt with us. Do you know that Janet collected the cane from the prophetess? She flogged me, she flogged Linda, she flogged even Wafo, the gate man. She flogged everybody, the prophetess, out of the house. It was really terrible.
Well, I feel it's the figment of your imagination. Because we had that conversation before you went to bed. At least this goes a long way to make you understand that the prophetess doesn't have the solution to our problem. Do you now understand it? Well, I'll be traveling on a business trip by the weekend.
Really? Babe, I'm coming with you. Please.
Wait, you've never gone on a business trip with me. Why now?
Babe, please. I just want to go with you. Please.
Do you realize it's strictly business? That I might not have time for you?
Babe, it doesn't matter. Who is talking about having time for me? I just want to do anything that will make me leave this house. I don't mind waiting for you. I will just stay in the hotel. Whenever you're done with your meetings, you come back and meet me. Please, babe. And that reminds me, you're supposed to go and see the doctor this morning.
What's the essence of going to see him? He has already said that she's in the morgue. It's obvious what is tormenting us in this house is our ghost. So what else does he want to tell me?
Babe, even though, just go and see him. Please.
You need to explain. Okay, fine. Even if you don't want to explain things to him, tell him. He might just have one or two solutions as to what is going on in this house. Because I don't understand.
What makes you think he's going to have a solution to a ghost?
Go now.
Okay, all right,
go.
all right, no problem. No problem. I will go. Let me just rest a bit.
Babe, this is morning. You don't. I'm sorry. It's just that. Did you see the money I sent to your Vera Edge account?
Huh?
300,000 I sent to your Vera Edge account.
You sent 300,000 naira to my Viral Edge account.
Yes, ma'am.
With or without my permission?
Eh?
Is it with my permission or without my permission?
I'm sorry.
If you know the way you vanish it to my account to transfer 300,000 naira without my permission, go to my bank account and unvanish it out of my Viral Edge account before I enjoy you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. Madam, please. I didn't mean to upset you. It's just that I was thinking if I send the money to you, you will not tell my husband what I did to you. Please.
Me? Janet, you not tell your husband what you did to me. You are begging me and you are still standing. Pride through your body.
No. Please. Please, even the gates man, I'm giving the gates man money. I know that the money is small, but I'm going to bring more. I'm going to bring more. Please. Because, please. Anything you want, I will do. I'm sorry.
Anything I want, you will do.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Nga.
What?
Take it. Hold it. You said I should do what?
That you should please not tell my husband what I did to you.
I should not tell your husband what you did to me.
Yes.
Hey, see, this drink is shaking, no? Hold it. Let this drink not shake. If you talk and this drink shake, you will not like me. Well, for me not to tell your husband, that one is a lie. You must go and tell your husband with this your mouth. If with this your mouth, onu gaduka onu piso, you will use to go and tell your husband what you did.
Madam, please, I beg you. It's the devil's handwork. I'm sorry, please.
The devil's handwork?
Yes.
When you were doing your evil, you don't know it's the devil's handwork. This thing is shaking. Madam, this thing is short. Bring this thing to my mouth. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. I want to drink. Hey! Come on, go back. Crawl to me. You want to stand up and give it to me. Crawl to me.
Okay.
Hey, go back. This drink has been shaking. Go back to your position.
Hey!
You see,
sorry.
Makachi, any drop of this drink fall again.
Sorry.
Nah, you will not like me.
Sorry.
This drink should not shake.
Okay.
You should just be still.
Okay.
And bring it to me. Unshake it. It have relaxed.
Okay.
I put it in my mouth. You say what? I should go and tell your husband. No, it's vibrating. The drink is shaking. Hey! It's shaking. The drink is shaking. But you are not serious.
I'm sorry. I'm trying.
Make it still. Hold it where?
I'm holding it.
Simple assignment you cannot do.
Sorry.
Cannot brew your job. You will be the first person to execute it.
Madam, please.
Please be wagon.
No, Oga, this person no dey for this mortuary.
What do you mean? You mean say this body no dey mortuary?
No dey mortuary, sir.
Please take a look at that picture one more time.
Look. I've not seen.
Call me the nurse on duty. Be fast about that.
Onye na-akwa maka ya?
Who is pushing me? Who don't push me? Are you a lunatic? Push me, sister.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
She was never deposited that day. Nurse Ngozi and Nurse Jennifer was saying things, but I'm sure that she was never deposited that day. And they will be in the right position to say it.
Are you saying all along Janet Egbentu was ever deposited in the morgue here?
She was not deposited in the morgue that day, sir.
And Ngozi and Jessica?
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Doctor, honestly, I am confused. I just want you to follow me to the house and see for yourself what I've been trying to say. Right now, I don't know if the Janet in my house is the real one or a ghost.
This is quite confusing because I personally confirmed her. So I don't know what and where this mix-up is coming from.
Please, let's just go to my house.
Okay. Let's go. You wait for me at the reception. Let me change into something else.
All right, no problem. No problem.
After you.
Wait, what is this one? Why you shake me? Why you push me now?
Madam, I push you. You said I should stand still. I stand still.
Shut up, Ezima! What did I say?
Ezima.
Nizo then, give me this thing.
Ma?
Nizo then, I say give me this thing. Raise my leg.
Ma?
Raise my leg.
Ma?
Raise my leg and put it on that table.
Madam, hold. Let me put.
It's like you don't. Have they slapped you before in your life? Have you use one leg? You use one hand to raise my leg. You don't have respect. This thing is shaking me. Can you? This thing is shaking me.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
Put one leg. Jesus! You pour your blood on the ground.
No, it's the drink.
Wishes and wizards, you want to come and eat me? How can this drink that is green turn to red in the ground?
Madam, it's beetroot.
Which one is beetroot?
Fruit.
You are a beetroot. You are the one that is a beetroot.
I'm sorry. I want to give it.
Give me the juice.
Madam.
Since when? Starting when? That you can stand up and give me. Are you a mad person?
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
You're mad. You poured me blood.
No,
There she is.
You poured me blood.
This is my patient. How did she get here? It's okay, let me find out. This is an emergency case. I need to call for an ambulance. Or better still, can we go with your car?
No problem. No problem. Good. No problem.
I'm sorry that I acted like a ghost. I did all this Because I wanted to know why your wife poisoned me. What was my offense?
Do you realize how far you took this prank? What if something bad had happened to me or my wife?
What if something bad had happened to me? What if that poison killed me?
Mr. Jen,
Doctor,
how is she?
I guess she's much better.
How are you, Miss Janet?
I'm very fine, doctor. Doctor, I'm very sorry for all the troubles I caused you. The thing is, I had a lot of questions that I needed answers to. And I'm glad I have gotten the answers.
Wow, wow. I'm happy for you. But not to worry. The police will soon be here.
Police?
Yes.
How?
The police is coming to pick you up. And you will go in for a long time.
But, doctor, why you...
For impersonating the ghost. For claiming to be a ghost and all the damages you caused to this hospital. You will not go scot-free. I will make sure of that.
Sir, doctor, please now. Sir, please help me beg the doctor. Eh? Sir, please help me beg the doctor. I thought it's only short people that used to be very angry. I don't know that doctors can still get angry like this.
No.
Sir, beg him now. Sir, please.
Streets.
Doctor, please, I beg you. Please help me beg doctor. I don't know that doctors used to get angry.
Please, just hold on the call, please.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am. I'll do that on one condition.
Which condition?
Doctor, please, can I have a word with you in your office?
If you say so.
For me, say I go the phone post. Don't let them put me for police cell. I no be ghost, I be human being. I no fit punish me. I no go fit to.
What are you still doing in this house?
Welcome, sir.
Did I not tell you to be gone before I get back?
Leave him.
Have you forgotten he disrespected you?
You don't beg me, you don't apologize. The person beg you, try forgive him. Now so life, be made life they go. Leave him, no use because of say if you invest me, can't collect job for your hand.
Is that what you want?
Yes, sir. Now wait till I want.
Count yourself lucky.
Thank you, sir.
Ochim, Wazobia.
Remember the arrangement and stick to it.
Which arrangement? Oh! The ghost mood, Abi. Activated.
Just stick to it. Alright?
Which one be just stick to it? They give me, say, I know they collect condition. I know they give me condition.
Come, bring your voice down before she hears you.
You to bring your own voice down. They tell me, say, make I do something for you. They give me, they command me. Respect yourself. You don't know, say, I feel make you vanish. You sure they go inside?
Stick to the plan.
They go inside. Go inside.
Oga Bata, Sean, I hello.
You be like person where they pass through a lot, or a lot they pass through you. In short, go inside. see command. I get level, die. Just say they command everybody. Madam see me run. Oga, get inside, Oga enter. Now get my meal. Hey! Now being a ghost. In short, from now on, ghost mode activated. I'll go meet everybody. Everybody go. Meow. In short, mom, me, I enter inside the house.
What happened? What happened? You brought her back to this house?
My dear, we're taking her to the hospital. All of a sudden, she woke up. Then the doctor took to his heels and was shouting, ghost, 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 ghost. The next thing I heard was, take me back to the house.
Hey.
That was how we came back to the house.
Babe, so you're telling me that we'll continue living with a ghost in this house?
How else to explain it to you? I am confused. I am scared. I don't even know what to do anymore. What is all this now? What is all this? How can we be living with a ghost in this house?
Ma!
Supunaya hit the mouth now. Hit him like give him elbow. Elbow him now. Yes. Okonga, this Okonga, he does a lot of things that is very, very annoying.
Your food is ready. I've served it on the dining.
Oga. 1, 2, oh!
Madam,
Your
food, I've served.
What kind of nonsense talk is that? Which one is your food? You have served it. Now there you serve me food before. You don't serve me food here. This I be like when they do cereal.
So I should bring the food.
My friend, get out. Go bring food. Come for this side.
Sorry.
Hey, come back here.
Ma?
Taste this food. I'll not repeat myself again. I say eat from this food.
Hey, madam, no.
Eat this food. I'll not repeat myself again. Eat it.
Madam, it was you I made this food for.
I said you should eat it.
Madam, this food is for you. If you don't like it, I can take it back and prepare something else for you. Please, the food is very okay. It's nice. Madam, taste it.
Lucy, eat this food.
Madam, because please, I
said you should eat this food.
Sorry.
Eat this food.
Madam, you have just taste this food. This food is nice. I made it for you.
I said this food, don't let me repeat myself again. Touch it round. Touch it everywhere. Wait for it to digest. Are you okay? Why will you eat my meat? Eh? Shut up your mouth! You are a Nizodem! Shut up your mouth! I say you are a Nizodem. Mugu.
Sorry.
You should get out! Get out! That's it. I said you get out. Get out. I'm more fear. Zebudaya.
I'm sorry.
You shut up your mouth. Chinekina. Hey. this girl for just... Yeah. Eh? You want more? This is how this girl would have just finished this food. And this girl just collected the food I'm about to eat. Just to test food, whether you put poison for me. You want more?
Can this be a nightmare? Can this be a nightmare? Because I'm living in danger, walking through fire, hiding my truth, burying desire. My eyes is clear, but I can't see. Mom.
Babe. Okay, wait now, wait. What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? Am I not your wife? See the way you were sleeping peacefully. You don't even care about me, if I'm okay or not. So you're just sleeping. Please,
How can you be thinking about something like this when you have a ghost tormenting us in this house?
The ghost in question is sleeping. She's sleeping. Come and do this thing, sharp. And all the drama happening in this house. The opportunity we have, you will not give me this thing. Wait.
Okay, wait now. Let me go and get water.
Relax. Wait. First, let's do. Get this water very fast now. Get this water very fast. Don't take time.
Madam, wake up, my friend. Wake up. What is wrong with you? I thought I had an agreement with you. Why would you be sleeping here whereas my wife is tormenting me in the bedroom?
Okay, stop now. I make you wake me up by this time. Make you wake me up by this time. Because small TV while they watch, nice sleep carry me. I say make I just stay here, they sleep. Now you just come they hit me.
I had an arrangement with you. And the only reason you're not rotting in the police cell is because we had an arrangement for you to continue to pretend to be a ghost. And I'm talking to you. To torment my wife and put her in check. To curtail her excesses. That's the only reason you're walking freely. I'm talking, you're still sleeping.
Oh God, I don't hear you now. Which kind of wahala enter for your hand? I don't hear you. This thing at midnight. Ghost mode deactivated. In the morning, ghost mode activated.
Play this ball now, guy. Play, kick, just kick am now. Wetin dey there? Just come on, kick when you kick the ball inside goal post. Now, one ball now. Play this ball.
Make I no dey like to dey watch ball. You just the best person here.
Wetin for yours? Kick ball. Use leg, don't just small thing. Just kick ball inside go post. Wetin dey there? What's there?
Okay, good morning, sir. Okay, now you be this. Good morning, sir. You change this morning.
Babe, why are you here all by yourself? I mean, you're supposed to be in bed. What is wrong?
Don't worry, I'm fine, okay? I just have a lot I need to clear up in my head.
Are you sure about that?
Don't worry, I'm fine, okay? It's nothing.
Okay. Um, Babe, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay. Go ahead, I'm listening.
I want to apologize to you for my bad behaviors, for all the things I have done wrong, my manner of approach, the way I talk to people, just everything I have done. I am sorry. I am deeply sorry from my heart. And these few days, a lot has happened. I have really learnt my lessons. And I learnt it in a very hard way. I'm sorry. I promise I'm not going to trade on that path anymore.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm glad you've learned your lessons. And I think it's time you know the truth.
Truth. What? I don't. What truth are you talking about?
Janet is not a ghost.
No. No. What are you saying? Janet is dead. The doctor confirmed that she was dead. You were there. You saw it. I saw it with my own eyes.
She actually died. But I don't know how she made it back alive. You remember the day the doctor came here? She saw the doctor and fainted.
Yes. Yes, I remember. You guys went to the hospital, and when you came back, I asked.
My dear, we're taking her to the hospital. All of a sudden, she woke up. Then the doctor took to his heels and was shouting, "Ghost, ghost, 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 ghost." The next thing I heard was, "Take me back to the house."
Hey! Hey!
That was how we came back to the house.
Babe, so you're telling me that we'll continue living with a ghost in this house? Oh. And then?
It's all a lie.
Chim, Wazobia.
Remember the arrangement and stick to it.
Which arrangement? Oh! The ghost mood, Abi. Activated.
Just stick to it. Alright? It's a lie to curtail you of your excesses.
Goodness.
But as it is, I've just realized that you did all you did to protect the man you love. I'm really sorry you had to go through all that. I love you. Okay? I love love you. And I promise you, I would never ever hurt you. But please, promise me you will not make troubles with her. Sweetheart, I have to run along now, okay?
All right, darling. Take care.
You too. And promise to stay out of trouble.
I promise, no troubles.
Babe, stay out of trouble.
Sure, no troubles.
Come
All
right.
right, love.
I have to run along now.
Bye. Drive carefully, okay?
Hello. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'll be at the office at most 9 a.m. Yes. Jeez. Do you know? I forgot my laptop. Thank God I've not even left the house. Yeah, let me go get it right away. All right, no problem. I'll see you soon. All right, bye.
Yeah. Wait, just tell me now, cover up this bottle. What's they worry you? As you just fell down now, you're not ashamed of yourself. Small opening, you just fall down. This thing is not nice. Now, as you fall now, you like her. Person know your fit trust you, made her open you up for. They disgrace your lineage. Now, what if this girl name again? Lucy! Lucy! Why did you waste time? You know they get respect. Why you waste time to answer me?
How dare you? How dare you, Janet? You. How dare you? I'm talking to you, Janet. How dare you?
Now ghost you they talk to. What make me you vanish now? Meow! Meow! Meow!
Madam, your game is up in this house. Are you hearing me? Your game, your silly jokes is up in this house. I can't even believe it. Me!
Madam, don't get yourself.
Me, Lucy! I fell for your stupid pranks all this while. Go in there, pack your things. You're leaving this house.
Huh? Me?
See, Jenny, don't make me repeat myself. Don't make me repeat myself. You're going to go inside that house, pack everything that belongs to you. You're leaving. I can't even believe that I was so stupid. I was so dumb to have fallen for your tricks. A pregnant ghost. Just imagine. Go and pack your things and leave this house. I'll not repeat myself. Now.
Nah, guy, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, who you dey threaten. Respect yourself. No, fine. If you want to start like this, I am not follow now. If me, I go inside there, go and pack my things and leave your house, you go tell your husband what you do. You go tell him how you take poison me.
Oh! Yeah. This is a blackmail.
Yes.
No, you are blackmailing me. In my own house.
Which one be blackmail? What if blackmail they enter for inside here they do?
You
yellow, I yellow. Where black for they enter?
You're blackmailing me. There's no problem. Before my husband will come back, you will be long gone. Let me see how you want to explain it.
Okay. Before your husband will come back, you'll be long meow.
Janet,
if
I count 3 and you're still standing here.
Under how many seconds I don't reduce as my skirts don't dey fall from my waist. This person.
Janet 1.
Lucy 2.
Janet 2.
Lucy 3.
Go in there and pack your things and leave my house.
You are not doing anything. Oh, thank God. Thank goodness. Oga don't come.
What is going on here?
Tell your husband what you do. Oga, a lot is going on here. They say make I pack and go.
No.
I will pack and go. And I know they romance me now. I tell you, they do this thing when I do. When I will be women, they do. No, they romance me now. Man, now they like me touch me. No, be woman.
Yes. Wait, just.
What is she talking about?
Oga, tell you, why don't they romance me for here?
It's just a friendly.
Man, no, they romance me. I don't follow for all this thing when women they do. I mean, a man, that be my spec, not be women. Tell your husband what they do. No, they touch me. Tell your husband. Tell husband why you poison me. Say that because say you and get man they pesh. And then leave me.
Baby.
Wait.
It's on the work man. Say make I pack and go.
What is she talking about?
Oga, a lot that they talk about.
She's not. This girl is not normal. We know that. You know she's remaining one.
I know. Say, madam, I tell you fine. I know say I no normal. No problem. Me no say me no normal. But Oga, inside this abnormal situation, see Anna, your wife, they lose my skirt, Oga.
No,
under the few minutes where I don't lose weight. I look, but I know they rob me, no they romance me, I know they do what they do. I don't tell you. Now once I don't be like get married, say if you don't touch you, you're there. I know. I beg, respect yourself. Tell your husband not the bad thing they do. See, make I the back and go. Rubbish.
Baby, you know, I don't know.
When your man they shout like there's a place, you don't know. I tell you more respect ourselves. You say no, get out of my house, get out of my house. Biaoga, you see this your bagger man, you go put you for trouble. If you go to enter your madam. You say Baba Oga.
I'll come out. Please. What is wrong with you? What did I ever do to you to deserve this level of embarrassment? All this while I never knew I was living with a potential murderer and a cheat as a wife. To the extent that you stooped so low to sleep with this idiot. You turned around and accused me of sleeping with Janet.
Bring your body odor, come where I did.
Get out of this house.
Only chill body odor, please.
I said, wait, come, go. If you don't stand up from there, come on, get up.
Please, forgive me, please. Forgive me, please.
Oga, beg, forgive her. Please. Oga, don't do it now, Oga. Oga, they get off temper. Forgive her.
That's what
Forgive her.
you knew all along, and you kept quiet until both of you started blackmailing each other, and everything came out in the open.
Eh? Oga, two people wey dey inside relationship, now you say make me pull mouth? You know they use me as scapegoat? Husband and wife matter. May I go talk na mona come use me settle for night. As I see the thing, I say no, I go mind my business. That be my name. Because now work, I can't work for here. But I don't know say why I dey mind my business, she go come poison me. Now that one, now there she come from my trouble. Now make me and Akosa to play game.
See, you don't have to.
I dey mind my business.
As for both of you, if I come out and see both of you here,
Yes, sir.
I will not be responsible for what will happen.
Please, I beg you. I'm
Madam,
sorry.
hey, madam, go back. You carry your pieces of things when you come back. They come up for here. See you now. See what you take home. Madam, I don't know say you don't get level. In short, Lucy, you don't get level. So what you take home of my house. You don't feel equipped yourself. You don't feel establish yourself. All the thing you know that things when they say and that's the only thing you're the hungry. You don't lose. So calm down. Don't they cry again, madam. You don't lose. You don't know. You think you lose. See husband for your corner now. You want to go marry only matrimony. You both should live together. He's ready, willing to.
Jake, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
They go see your husband.
Come, let's go and start our new life.
Are you mad? Are you calling my back?
Hey, God, now only me and Oga na can't do this house now. Oga, you say make I come. You say make I dey pack my things they go. You mean am? Oga, you mean it? I should pack my thing and move. Hello, sir. Oga, do you mean it? I should leave your house?
All right. Bye. What's going on?
I should be the one asking you what is going on here.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened? Ebuka just left your compound now. And I saw him blowing kisses to you and then you're returning the kisses back to him. I don't understand. Are you two dating?
Yeah. We are.
What do you mean, yeah? You are admitting to it?
Yes, we are dating.
Linda, after everything you said about this guy, you said a lot of horrible things about him. And that's the man you're dating?
Anyways, you said you were tired of him because he wasn't good in bed. I said no problem. Then I found him worthy to be my man, which made everything you said inconsequential.
Linda!
Lucy!
Linda, you were the same person that advised me to dump him!
No, don't do that, don't do that. You chose to dump him. I merely suggested, but the decision was yours to make, not mine.
Oh my goodness. What is going on here?
And by the way, what's with the bags? What's going on?
Jake found out the truth, so he threw me out.
I knew it. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you not to harm that girl, but you did it anyways. I also told you to tell him about everything you did, but you didn't.
Goodness. Linda, you're such a liar. You were the one that asked me to do whatever thing I can do to get that girl out of my house. Since she's sleeping with my husband, you advised me to get rid of her. How come you're speaking from both sides of your mouth?
Did I tell you to poison her? You chose to cheat on your husband with your gate man because you cannot control your libido. I beg, don't put me inside this. Oh.
You were such a...
Don't you dare! Else I will skin you alive. Pack your stuff and get out of my house. Linda, this is not the end of it. This is not the end of it!
I promise you, Linda, you will regret this. You are such a deceitful friend. Go and get out.